Colombia's Cali Buenaventura Road, drops from Andean cloud forest into Pacific rainforest in a single day. And along the way, 2 stops stand out from all the rest. By the end of this video, you'll understand why birders plan entire trips around this stretch of road. Finca La Florida is a private bird sanctuary where birds that would take days to find in the wild simply show up. At quiet feeding stations, Andres, the man behind the magic here, brings in the chestnut wood quail, the white-throated quail dove, and the little Tinamou, 3 of the most secretive birds in the Western Andes, calm enough for a real, unhurried look. Banana feeders pull in a rotating cast of tanagers and the striking crimson-rumped toucanet, while hummingbirds work the feeders all day long. And every so often, maybe twice a year, the scaled ant pitta makes a surprise appearance. If you're there on that day, consider yourself lucky. Once the feeder birds are covered, we move to the road itself. KM 18 is a natural ecotone, the forest edge at eye level, where birds that normally hide in the canopy step into the open. This is Golden-headed Quetzal territory, iridescent green and gold, perched on a bare branch. The kind of bird that makes you forget to raise your binoculars. Add the collared trogon, the tiny blue-naped chlorofonia, and the green and black fruit eater, and you understand why this road has a reputation. But the moment that stays with everyone happened here on the road. The northern chestnut-breasted wren is a bird you hear, not see, until one morning, it didn't just call back. It walked into full view and sang for over a minute, while a group of us stood frozen, not daring to breathe. When it slipped back into the forest, we just looked at each other and jumped. That's the kind of moment that reminds you why you bird. Finca La Florida and KM 18 are just 15 minutes from Yotoco Lodge, the ideal, fairly priced base camp for a complete birding tour of Valle del Cauca. From here, you can also reach Doña Dora, San Cipriano, Atuncela, Rio Bravo, Bosque de Yotoco, Suee Birding, and Laguna de Sonso, all within easy range. If you're planning a birding trip to Cali, Colombia, visit yotocolodge.com for the full guide to this region and how to plan your visit.